feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. If my hair slaps you, you're 30 inches too close, baby girl. You're 30 inches too close. You need to back up. No, but it's really cute. Hey guys, it's your girl lashanyab. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a loyal subscriber, you already know the drill. Today, we're gonna be talking about being present. Okay, being present in your life and also giving yourself a lot of grace. I don't know about y'all, but I live in the future. I am Mrs. Future. I need to know everything that's going on, what career moves I'm making, what house I want to buy, what man I want to be with, how many kids I want, all of that. But lately I've been practicing just staying present. Today's video is also brought to you by LUVME Hair. Thank you so much. And we're gonna talk about this 30 inches. If my hair hits you, baby girl, you're 30 inches too close. Okay, you need to back up. If you wanna see me get ready and do this hair and have a little chit chat with your girl, grab yourself a snack, get your blankie, because that's what I recommend and I would do. And let's go. Before we get started with today's candle of the day is going to be sweet tobacco. I kind of want a little manly vibe in here. Oh, sweet man. This candle I believe I got from probably TJ Maxx, probably Marshalls, but it's just, you know when you want a man in your room, but you don't want a man in your room? Yeah, buy this candle. Also, I feel like just showing y'all this because it's on my desk, but don't throw your roses, ladies, if you get roses. Luckily, I still have mine from Valentine's Day, and I just think it's so cute. This is why roses is my favorite flower, because all of them will perish. But roses, even when they die, they still look pretty, period. That's gonna be me in my coffin. They're so cute. Thank you, bubs. I don't really want to do a normal get ready with me before makeup beat. So I'm just gonna do my makeup real quick and I'm gonna get back to y'all. Okay, I need to wash my hands. My makeup is done. You know, just everything, little chill, whatever. So let me put a wig on so I can stop looking like a painter. If you want to see this look, head over to my TikTok because I definitely filmed it for the TikTok girls. But anyway, LUVME Hair. They sent me a 30-inch wig. Well, they didn't fully send it to me, but I had to pay like 60%. But it's cool because it was not bad price. Where the wig at? Where the wig at? She looked a little crazy because I had her on the other day, but hey, it's okay. I'm gonna give you a real review because I had it on. Okay, I'm not just one of the girls anymore that's gonna tell you the hair is nice. First things first that I love, this is a glueless wig, so I will not be gossipily gluing nothing. Okay, I will not be ghost bonding nothing. This is going on the way that they said it's gonna be, and that's how I've been wearing it. Also because your girl is late. This wig actually came bleached. I haven't had a wig that was already bleached, baby. This is a 5x5 wig. Comes with a nice elastic, and you know how sometimes they put the elastic in a weird spot and your wig be slipping back? Not this one. This wig is 30 inches long to the thumb, 100% human hair, one donor. Well, somebody was walking around with 30 inches on their head. Good for them. Literally, it is one of those glueless wigs that you be seeing on the gram, and you're like, ain't no way you could just pop that shit on your head and go about your day. This wig did that for me for about a couple days, and I'm gonna show y'all. I braid my hair back. The smaller the braids, the better, because that's the flatter it's going to be. We're gonna boom. Can you imagine if I walked in like this? But look how I just blended with my face though. What lace? You tell me what lace. Where the lace at? Okay, I can see it a little bit, but where the lace at? You can't tell me where the lace at. And we're on. I'm so sorry, y'all, but I'm just done with frontals. That's another reason why I picked out a 5x5. I just don't have time. I don't have patience. I'm tired of making a wig look like my hair. So it's either closure or closure. The girls, they look so cute with their tape-ins, but I am a 4C girl underneath this wig, y'all, and it just would not work for me past a day. I tried to get a silk press one time. It was giving polyester press, cotton press the next day, and all I did was go to sleep. But yeah, so this is how the wig looks right now. I'm just gonna recurl the front because I kind of like these little Kim K soft droppy curls it's giving. But I can show you what it looked out of the box. It was real juicy, real thick. That's that it was giving a lot of body wave. Right now it's giving a wave. It was giving beach wave right now. But yeah, I'm just gonna, ooh, almost burn my forehead. I'm just gonna flatten down the top a little bit. Cool. This side's pretty good. It's just this side. It's always one side. But yeah, like you can see, like I don't need to glue anything down. Like this is my first glueless wig that's giving glueless. And it don't really slip back at all on me. Thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate a wig not trying to embarrass me. We're just gonna put some curls back in the front just to show you how good this hair curls.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Boom. And we just gonna put it back. Put it back. Yeah. Yeah, daddy. I need help. Let's do this side too. Boom. Yes. You ever heard that song with Big Sean and Janae Aiko? In the song, he said, the past is a history, the future is a mystery, the present is a gift. That's why they call it a present. And it's just like, I feel like that is so true. Like a lot of us don't even recognize how much of the present is a gift. And we kind of just sit there and think about all the things that we need to get done. And also don't even recognize that we're living in the things that we ask for. The prayers that we ask for, we're literally currently living in it. This is really a message to myself. That is something that I feel like I really do struggle with a lot. I need this job, I need this car, I need this relationship, I need this whatever, that I don't recognize like all the things that I've prayed for up until this point that I'm literally experiencing. And I feel like a lot of us do that. We really do struggle with giving ourselves grace and giving ourselves that period to not only enjoy the present, but a period to at least experience mistakes and not beat up ourselves for it. It's just like, I just feel like I have a lot of shit to do. You know, am I the only one? 23 was a ghetto ass year for me. And it was just like a lot of figuring out to do, but I never really lived in the moment of things. And I kind of want to bring in 24 that way. I feel like a lot of us are overworking ourselves to please other people or please things that we think that we want. And then you find out that you probably don't even want it, especially on social media. Like everyone seems to need to be perfect. Give yourself that opportunity to cry. It's okay to breathe. It's okay to not be perfect. Nobody's perfect. And I don't think a lot of people realize like social media is just the highlights of people's lives and not necessarily what's actually happening. You know, there's a lot of people that be like, oh my God, like your life on Instagram seems so fun. Like you're always places, but little do you know, like I could be going through something. It's okay to give yourself a break. I think it's really important to recognize that you're doing the best that you can with what you have and the area that you are in your life. There's no reason to constantly compare yourself to other people. Comparison is a thief of joy, and comparison will literally have you not want to make content or not want to do certain things or not get involved in a certain club or whatever. But we also like beat ourselves up with different things like, oh, like I need to lose weight, or like you're fat, or like, oh, I don't look pretty today, and stuff like that. Like think about the things that you say to yourself. If someone said half of the shit that you said to yourself in your brain, you would beat the shit out of that person. And that's point blank period. You wouldn't even give that person a minute if someone came to you and was like, oh, you look ugly today, or you look fat today. You'd be like, excuse me, bitch, don't play with me. It's okay to not feel like that girl every day, but don't talk to yourself crazy because you wouldn't tolerate it from anybody else. Like, you know, like, bitch, you doing a good job. You're doing a good job. And it's really important to also like stop beating up ourselves on things that we cannot change. The past happened, okay? It's history. I don't know about you guys, but I'll have like flashbacks when I dated certain people. I'm like, why did I date that person? Why did I even get involved with that person? Like, what possessed me? Why did I waste my time? Why did I waste my emotions? And then it's like, whatever, like you already did what you had to do. You already did that with that person. Like you already messed up, whatever. But at the same time, it's like, it's a lesson. Now you have to learn the lesson and not do it again and not fall for it again. I've had the same lesson probably a couple times. I think I finally learned it because I'm in a happier place now. But anyway, that's all I want to talk about today. Just let yourself grow, okay? As long as you know you're doing what you have to do to get to where you want to get to, you are okay. God sees that you're working hard, and continue doing just that. I hope you guys liked this video. LUVME Hair, thank you for, you know, we're gonna grow up with a little discount. Anyway, that was my message of the day. Just be nice to yourself, be kind to yourself, be kind to other people, but definitely be kind to yourself. You live with your thoughts, you live with yourself forever. There's other people that's gonna hate on you. There's other people that's gonna be mean towards you. But the last person that should be fake with you and mean to you is your damn self. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more chit chats, more content, and I will see you guys in the next.